today we're going to download Antigravity. So it's going to be my first audio recorded video. So hopefully, let's see how it goes. So I have a Mac and I'm going to install on Mac the Antigravity 2.0. So let's see, I'm going to download on my desktop first. It's going to take some time. Let's hope for that. So like you guys, even I'm also trying to learn a bit of AI tools. So I'm trying a lot of RAG, LangChain, and a couple of AI tools. So it's just my intention to share my videos and share my details through this video. So yeah, I don't have lots of storage also. So I'm trying to see like within a given memory details how I can manage and install things, or like with budget friendly tools how I can learn on AI skills. So my Gravity tool has downloaded, so let's install it. Okay, so it's going to download. Yep, that's good. There you go, that's it. So we'll see what's going to be for the login. Maybe I have to do, yep. So it's going to verify certain details. Okay, so anti-gravity is pretty much released yesterday from the Google I/O. So okay, there you go. That's it. So that's the installation part. So I'm going to log in and see how it works, and then maybe come up with a different video again to see how the use or the tool usage is like, and what is the benefits for a developer standpoint learning AI. Thank you so much.